My name is Tim, I'm 22 and I'm from the Netherlands. I chose Cape Town because I've been here once before, and back then I felt like the cultures and the friends I made were all very open and very close, and I want to see a lot of the country. And I'm also open with the different cultures and the different work environments. What I like most about Cape Town is actually the people I met, and everybody being very open, getting invited from everywhere, and just the environment you're in, you're open to do everything you can. What I like to do in Cape Town is actually go on a hike or go out with some friends, go to a bar, for example, or just walk out, enjoy the nature, because I love to go outside. What I like to do is go out on a boat on water to go out in the ocean, or I'd like to do Lion's Head, which is one of the big mountains over here, and do a hike up there, and then you see the entire view and view the sunset. It's very open. You're accompanied with a lot of other interns, and so you make good friends, very close friends, and you can easily talk to people over here. The experience is great. I get to do everything. I can come up with my own ideas and talk to the boss about it, and then he's open to my suggestions and figure out where we're going from there. I think this experience has had a big impact on my life. At first, I was very insecure about going here on my own, but afterwards I think it's good that I made the big step and I actually want to do it again, because you meet so many new people and you change. You become open to everything you want to, and I think that I'll take that with me in the future. Just be open, see what comes to you, and when someone invites you, just say yes and go with them and see where it ends.